Biafrans captured Nigeria police trying to extort money from the Okada riders in the local village road. Things are happening. They say that Hausa Muslims don't call out the Nyesian Wike, say it no be Muslim or may take time for their territory. No be small thing. I hear information say the SARS don't come back. Oh, SARS don't come back for inside Biafra land. Things are really happening. Abia State people don't happy as Governor Otin don't try to build their road with Julius Berger. If you see celebration. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas G's. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. If you know say you never follow this page and or subscribe also for our YouTube channel, turn your notification bell so that when we will upload, you could get our updates back to back as they hot. Let's quickly go and look into the Ogbonge news where we get for hand today. They say that Biafrans don't capture some police where we say be like say they want the collect money for motorcycle for inside village. We will show you the video and we'll come back and continue. We'll get many stories. Stay tuned. No go anywhere. Carry your chair, carry your drink. Stay gidigbam, they listen.
Stop collecting money from this Stop collecting money from this Yes, with us! With us! I have to cut this case off.
Yeah, my people, Sebi, you don't see them. When they did this one now, they just did there, they take money from people. Oh, this one not be thief, we will call them. I've been waiting. We no, this is what is happening in Biafra land. When people they cry come outside, it will come be like say, this one no good though. Hey, if a Biafra liberation army now can't jam them for that place, you'll come be like say those guys are bad guys. Don't be smarting. Yeah, let's quickly jump into the Abia State. God know waiting they go on for that side. They said that the governor Oti don't try for Abia people where he never stay for Sito. He don't they build the whole road where they for Aba and Abia State as well. Let's play the video. May you watch this. How people are happy when they see Julius Berger coming to do their road after many years.
Hey! Leya kane bili. O bili wa. Otini Danima, Mbombo. Otini Danima, Mbombo. Oletiverese, Lamada Pega. Oletiverese, Lamada Pega, Oyoyo. Otini Danima, hey, Otini Danima. Oletiverese, Lamada Pega, Oletiverese, Lamada Pega, hey, Otini Danima, Mbombo. Hey, Oletiverese, Lamada Pega, Oletiverese, Lamada Pega, Oyoyo. Mbombo. Oletiverese, Lamada Pega, Oletiverese, Lamada Pega.
Governor Oti, try. You are trying. And keep building Aba. Aba should be a China in Biafra land. Abia should be an industrial area. This is the area I want the governors for now to look into. Build Aba and make Aba beautiful before we go from Nigeria. Biafra, stay, Governor Oti. No be smart, you know. The information when they reach our hand right now, so they talk. They say for Cross River today, say one police, say unknown don't enter inside that place. Unknown government don't enter there. Go scatter one police and send so many police to judgment as we they get the information. But the video never surface. If we get the video, we'll see bring and come up. May you know what they go on. Let's quickly go into look into this video. They say that the SARS don't come back, but we don't know whether this video now the old one I've been according to what they happen. Let us know if you don't see them for your area. One no. Let's play the video. May you watch. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, no be smart, you know. You don't see those men we stand there. We be like say they carry kala, they carry kashala. They carry guns stand for that place. So now them be the SARS where they talk about. They say they don't come back. With this, so they say we know if you play the full video because if you plan for here now, they go bring you wahala. Can they give us so that we not gonna give you information again? So if this thing they happen for your area, say true, say SARS don't come back for Biafra land again. I beg, may you still let us know. One know what they go on for your area in case of you see these kind of people. Let us know immediately. Go for our Facebook, send us direct messenger. We'll get you and we'll go reply you. More know what they happen for that area as well. No be smart, you know. Things are really happening. Let's quickly jump into the next Ogwenge news what we get for hand today. For those of you where they hear Hausa, I want me to translate waiting this man talk for this particular video. But for the small we will understand. In black city the 10 years Yawike will be the former governor of River State. Say that place where they na Muslim thing no now I don't see one Nigeria people and I get this video. So I want the people where they speak Hausa to translate waiting he talk for this video well for us, because for other people when they hear so that they go hear. Nigeria is all about Muslim now. If you don't know, may you know for this video or I may watch the video.
Wuke din nan da aka sa Abuja ba matsala yake ba addinin ba. Shi ba state din sa ma cewa musulmi ya zauna ko kai ya zauna. Ya kori musulmi ya ci mutuncin su. Yanzu kuma ya dauko tutar Isra'ila ya kafa ya nuna goyen bayan arna. Abuja kuma garinmu ne domin arewa ce. Idan yan kudu suna ji da Delta da aka bude musu ko mu kuma da Abuja muke ji. Bai taba kamata a ce ministan Abuja ya zama arne ba. wanda wannan abin da gwamnatin Tinubu tai na rantse da Allah shine sa kafar wando ɗaya da za ta yi da mu malamai musulun da ta sa za mu gane yaudarar mu ta yi wallahi kuma ta shirya za mu fara kalubalantar ta akan wannan. Abuja ba garin arna bane, bai arne da ya kamata ya zama ministan Abuja ya raina mana hankali ba. Mu ba baki bane a Najeriya. Ana tare bangaren Najeriya ana wulakanta dan arewa, wallahi ba za mu lamunci wannan ba. Za mu hau mambura kwanan nan mu ta hau mambari mu ta faɗa sai an tsige wuke ba, wallahi sai ka bar Abuja wuke insha Allah. Dan Abuja ba gidanku bane, gidanmu ne mu yan arewa. Kuma tunun bai san wannan akan wuke kawai. Iya wuke mun baka alƙawari wallahi in baka tsige shi wallahi ba za mu zabe ka ba. Ba mu ba kai musulun ticket din za mu gane yaudara sai mu ce mun dena. In za a yi addini na gaskiya ai ka a yaudare mu da addini. Ba shashashin mutane bane mu. Ka fito baro ka nuna aqidarka da kin musulmai. Nasiru ɗan Rufa'i bai rike Abuja ba, bai yi alkhairi a Abuja ba. Musulmai nawa ne suka rike Abuja suka buga misali, sun nuna wariyar launin fata, sun taimaki annan, sun taimaki musulman, amma wannan ya zo yana adawa da mu baro. To wallahi muna gaya gwamnatin nan ta shirya, ta sa ɗan ba, wallahi ko za ki zare rayukan mu, ki kashe mu, na rantse da Allah ba ma son wuke. Kuma dole ya koma shi is wicked person. You are wicked man. Nonsense. Ka zo ka wani kafa tutar Isra'ila mu za ka mai da wawayen mutane? Wallahi wannan mutumin ya bani haushi kwarai da gaske. Ranar da na ga yayi wannan abin na ji haushi kwarai da gaske. Wallahi akwai zargi akan wannan gwamnatin tana so ta ci mutuncin addini wallahi. Ba za mu lamunci wannan ba tsakani da Allah. Ba za ka ɗauko mana wicket ka zo ka samu da shi a kujerar Abuja ba. A nan Tinubu ba ma tare da kai ko kaɗan. In za ka gyara ka gyara, in ba haka ba daidai yake kana so ka yi rigima da addinin musulunci. Daidai
Kai malam, wallahi Nigeria I don't enter am for Muslim, no be quote Nigeria quo. Yeah, my people, as you don't hear am, na so we see am. I don't hear am. Where did they tell them? Nigeria is not for you because say they see small space, enter inside politics, come they see small money. See weekend na you go dey do nyash, the wakala person where they don't chook need they know the full nyash they go. When they go put hot for your nyash, you go leave that seat, run go back to Port Harcourt. Me know wetin dey happen. They tell una say Nigeria is not for now, no they believe. I beg what will they ask on all of una wey plan go kidnap mass in the car, make una go still plan, go leave am before the yata start dey happen. No be small thing. Yeah, my people, I want me to share this video more other people they will see wetin dey happen for Biafra land and see wetin dey happen for inside Gongo Nigeria. As you dey share am, God bless you. And don't forget to follow us and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very important. Anywhere where you see our video, give them share and like and sweet comment as well. No be smart, you know. Okay, my people, we'll catch you for the next update as it dey hot. Stay tuned.